Summertime is coming. Let's make some crab cakes. Butter, olive oil. Then we go with the onions and the celery. Crab meat, celery leaves, parsley. Half goes in here and half is going to be for the sauce. Then grab your favorite cracker and crumble them with your hand. Then we grab the onions and the celery, paprika, cumin, hot sauce, mustard, lemon zest, lemon juice, and fresh ginger. Little mayo, 2 yolks for binding. Now for the sauce, little mayo, capers, pickles, lemon juice, and some of the parsley. If you want to go a little fancy, little caviar, why not? Just like that. Buon appetito! Che spettacolo! So delicious! Wow, it really tastes like summer.